Hello guys, I greet you once again. I welcome you to IT Father Academy, and today we're going to learn how to block server ports using Windows Server 2012 R2 group policy. Before I continue, let's try a drive and see whether it will work before we start our project. So let me insert my drive here. Okay, so connect to a virtual machine. Okay, so let me go to this PC. So we have the drive here. So you see it's working all right. It's working all right. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet, and also like and share for others to watch. And please leave comment below there. Alright, so before we start, let's see something here. We are going to open and configure the policy, then you apply to the domain or the OU. So you are going to open group policy management Windows, then you create the GPO. Then we link the GPO to what? To domain or the OU, or where you want the settings to what? Apply. So now, after linking the group policy objects to the domain or the OU, or where you want, then we run this gpupdate space / false. So let's start. So let's open group policy management Windows. So someone may ask what mean by group policy. And group policy is a feature of the Microsoft Windows NT family of operating systems that controls the working environment of user accounts and computer accounts. And also it provides centralized management and configuration of operating systems, applications, and user settings in an Active Directory environment. So let's start. So let's move to the dashboard. So this is Server Manager dashboard. Then you move to tools. You see where the cursor is. So you click on it. Then you come down, you scroll down, we have group policy management here. So you open it. Here we have the forest name here. Let's expand it. So you have the forest name here. You expand forest name, domains, and yuma.org. So we have default domain policy, we have domain controllers, we have IT department. So the IT department is the OU I created. So within the OU, I have 3 user accounting. So, and also we have group policy object, WMI filters, and a starter GPOs. The GPO stands for group policy object. So let's start. So you see, when you expand group policy object, this is what you have: default domain controller or policy. Then you have default domain policy. So you right click on group policy object, then you go to new. So we are going to create the lock. So let's name as USB port or USB block. Okay, let's name it USB block anyway. So then you click OK. So you see we have it here. So you click on it, then you right click on it, you go to edit. So here, since we want the settings, we want apply on what? On the server itself. So you go to under computer configuration, then you expand policies, then you expand what? Administrative template. So here we have control panel, network, printers, server, start menu, and system, and also we have a Windows component and what all settings. So you expand what system. Let's expand it small. So you scroll down here, then you look for removable storage access. So here is it. So you click on what removable storage access. So on your right pane here, then you look for all removable storage. You look for all removable storage classes. Deny all access. So you see that it's not configured. So you right click on it, you go to edit, then you enable it. After that, then you click on what apply and okay. So you see it has been what enabled. Then you close this page. So according to my note here, so creating GPO, then you link the GPO to what, to domain or OU. So let's go there. So there is the what, the GPO that you have created. So you are going to link it to the domain or what, the GPO. So you want the USB block, what, apply on the domain. So you right click on domain controller, you go to link and existing what GPO, then select USB port, USB block, then you click OK. So you have linked what, you have linked GPO to you have linked what, the GPO you just created to the domain controller. So here is it. So when you expand it, you see it there. So we have USB block. So anytime you see this arrow, it means what, we have linked to something. That's it. So after here, what else? Then you run what, you run gpupdate / what force. So let's copy, then let's run. So Windows +R to run. So then you type it here. So gpupdate / force, then you click OK. Updating policy. So let's wait for a while. Okay, computer policy update has been what, completed successfully. Alright, so we are done. So let's try inserting some drive or any removable device. So I have one reputable drive here. So let me insert it. So you can close this page. Then let's open. Alright, connect to virtual machine server. So let's open. You see access is denied. Well done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done yet.